G'day, it's fugitive Australian journalist Shane Dowling from the website kangaroocourtofaustralia.com. Now, the New South Wales election, which is due on the 25th of March 2023, has basically been gatecrashed over the last few days by former New South Wales Premier John Barilaro and also former New South Wales Liberal Party politician Daryl Maguire, who's best known for being the former sexual partner of New South Wales former Premier Gladys Berejiklian. Now, in effect, they've all three have resigned because of corruption. Gladys Berejiklian resigned when it was announced that New South Wales ICAC were investigating her and her relationship with Daryl Maguire. John Barilaro resigned a couple of days later, but he would have known then and there that he was under a lot of heat for his corruption. And Daryl Maguire resigned because New South Wales ICAC were investigating him for a number of dodgy deals he had done. Now, if we just focus on John Barilaro for a minute, over the last few days, he's had assault charges dismissed on mental health grounds, where he assaulted a cameraman, but he's probably likely to face a civil lawsuit because they've already flagged that a civil lawsuit is going to come from the cameraman. The law firm he's using has flagged that they'll be proceeding with the civil lawsuit in the next few months. And John Barilaro has also been referred to ICAC over the last few days. Report come out in relation to him rorting a $100 million fund in relation to bushfire recovery grants, where he made sure 99% of that went to Liberal Party seats and National Party seats and made sure the Labor Party seats got virtually nothing. Another report in the last few days has been into the $500,000 New York job, which John Barilaro had lined up for himself when he left Parliament. And that was been proven to be a jobs for the boys scheme. And while all that's been happening in the background, old John Barilaro has been lobbying for the role of CEO of Clubs New South Wales, which had become vacant a week or so ago. So what about his mental health issues that got him off the assault charge? He's claiming he's got mental health issues, but he's right to go for CEO of Clubs New South Wales. And Daryl Maguire, former sexual partner of Gladys Berejiklian, I refer to him as former sexual partner because Gladys Berejiklian downplayed and said it wasn't very serious when she gave evidence at ICAC. He's faced court in relation to a visa migration fraud scheme that took place while he was a sitting member of New South Wales Parliament, where he is dodging up visa applications to make sure people got to stay in Australia. And that's been set down for another hearing on the 21st of March, which is only 4 days before the election on the 25th of March. And in the background of all that, you've got Operation Keppel, which is a New South Wales ICAC investigation into Daryl Maguire. And two of the star witnesses were Gladys Berejiklian and John Barilaro. So you've got corruption all over the place. You've got New South Wales Premier Dominic Perrottet trying to get re-elected in a few weeks. And he's got all those corruption issues rearing their head. John Barilaro is a corruption criminal who just keeps on giving. He's got corruption scandals all over the place. And Daryl Maguire's not much better. One of the reasons that politicians act so corruptly and get involved in so much corruption because they believe if they get exposed, they can just ride it out in the media cycle, ride it out for 24 hours, maybe a few days, maybe a week or two. But it's come back to bite them this time. One of the things you can do to drive it home is make sure you share these videos and the articles about them on social media so they can't ride out the media cycle. The internet's a place where people don't forget. So make sure you share this video on Facebook and Twitter and other social media, and please hit the like and subscribe button. Other than that, thank you for your time and have a good day.